Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we've got a special video today. It is Snackapalooza up in here. What are we doing? Let's check it out. Alright, so it doesn't tell you much by this. Well, there is a sticker on there. Main Street Treat Company. Ugh. This is actually 3 different boxes. This is an apple a day box, not a morning person box, which is coffee, and Sorcerer's Rice Krispie box. All 3 of those are in here, and we're going to check it out, and I've got a promo code for you, and that's all coming up right now. Alright, so I pre-cut it so you didn't see me stab myself on camera. Ready for this? There's a little confetti in here for us. That's it. Alright, so we've got 3 boxes. So, okay. This one is the coffee box. This one must be the Rice Krispie box. And this one is an apple a day box. Alright. So, let us begin with Sorcerer's Rice Krispie box. This is $39.99. And the nice folks over at Main Street Treat Company sent us this one for free. Same with the apple a day box. They sent those for free. We paid for the coffee box. Let's get going. Now you might see me stab myself. If you have not checked out their Facebook group, I will link it in the description down below. It has changed its name. It used to be Hey Mickey Hey. Now it is Main Street Treat Company. So check that out. We've got their card. Bam! And it says, "Thank you so much for supporting our small business. We hope you enjoy your Halloween with Main Street Treat Halloween box. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus brought straight to your home. Happy not so scary Halloween." Nice. Alright. Confetti. Alright, so if you know Disney, you know that Disney's Rice Krispie treats are made by Selma's, which is a commercial kitchen that Disney uses. These treats are also from Selma's, so it's the same thing as you get in the park. This one, and they have nutrition facts on them, all that happy stuff. This one is a pumpkin. I will put that in the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. Oh, this one's cool looking. This one is a candy corn, and the top yellow is little tiny BBs. Very nice. Throw that in the photo box. Boop. Don't forget, I've got a promo code coming for you at the end too. That'll save you 15%. This is Goofy's Candy Company. So this one, I believe when they're packaged like this, they actually got them from the park. When they're not the Selma's packaging. So they actually went there and got them. And this is a Mickey Jack-o'-lantern. Throw that in the photo box so you can see it. Boop. I've already had one of these and it was amazing. Again, from Selma's, it's a mummy. These are all so nice and soft too. Like super squishy. Did I boop that? Boop. And finally, another one that I believe came from the parks. So it's a Jack Skellington on a stick. I'll throw that in the photo box. Boop. Alright. So 5 Disney Rice Krispie treats. And again, that box is $39.99, and you can use the promo code to save yourself some money on that. Alright, next box. An apple a day box. Apple a day, $45.99. Where's my knife? There it is. Alright. By the way, all those, none of the frosting was melted or anything. I'm sure you saw in the pictures. They're all in really good shape. It is getting to be that time of year where it goes very smoothly. Got 2 cards in this one. Main Street Treat Company. Bam! Thank you so much for supporting. So it says the same stuff as the other one. No, it doesn't. We hope you enjoy the apples we've selected just for you. The Mini Witch Fresh Apple Cup. I don't want to cheat and find out what it is first. So it's like a spoiler sheet. And confetti. Very festive confetti. Another Mickey Jack-o'-lantern from the park, which you already saw, but I'll refresh your memory. And we are going to be set for a bit. Another candy corn Rice Krispie treat. So it's not just apples. Boop. And then these bad boys. Oh, and there's a parks map for Magic Kingdom. Always nice to reminisce. You ready for these things? This is crazy. Holy cow. Mary's excited. They look like they made the trip really well. Nothing's melted. I will read what this is in just a second after I pull the other one out, but I'll put it in the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. Holy cow. This one... the bow fell off, but that's all. It's not melted. I'll take a bow falling off anytime. It's got a witch's hat on the back. Okay, so let's see. I'll put this in the photo box. Boop. And let's see what these are. Okay, so the Mini Witch. Bink. Fresh apple covered in caramel, dipped in milk chocolate, decorated with M&M and sugar toppings, and topped with chocolate witch hat. The Mickey Apple Pie. Fresh apple covered in caramel and dipped in white chocolate, then dipped in cinnamon, sugar, and crushed graham cracker crumb. Dang. Dinner's ready. Every time. We have really good timing with that lately. Alright, so that was an apple a day. That's $45.99. And again, I can save you some money a little bit later. And finally, the one that we ordered. Not a Morning Person coffee box. $79.99. And the promo code is going to be good until... what did I say? Friday the... Is it Friday the 9th? October? Yeah. Friday the 9th at midnight. And she said midnight, and she lives in Florida, so I'm assuming Eastern Standard Time. So you don't have much time. Plus, they sell out really fast. Alright. Same card as the first one, same writing on the back. Confetti. we are gonna Rice Krispie treat, pumpkin style. You saw that a minute ago. Boop. I can eat Rice Krispie treats 24 hours a day. What happened? Another candy corn. Boop. Okay. Oop. Another mummy. Yeah. Boop. Okay. Oh, these are good. I don't know if you've tried these or not, but we got these from another box from Main Street Mail from Kristen and Mark. Oh, they're so good. I guess I'll have to unwrap them so that you can see them. And then since they'll be unwrapped, I guess I'll have to eat them. So, boop, they are chocolate dipped coconut patties. The laundry's done now. Things are just coming together. That's awesome. I booped it, right? Yeah, I did. Then. Da-da-da-da. Mickey's Coffee. Mickey's Really Swell Coffee. Blonde roast, brown light roast. The picture on the front is amazing. Mickey and Minnie hanging out at the cafe. Ugh. I cannot wait for tomorrow morning. Oh, it's sealed too well. Here you go. Got it. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow morning is going to be amazing with this coffee and those Rice Krispie treats. It's on. Alright. And then I believe there's a coffee mug in here. So I have something to drink my coffee out of because we don't have enough mugs. Ready? Alright, so this is the perfect mug for this box because it says, not a morning person. This is a Haunted Mansion mug. Earn your rest, U-R-N, like the pun, at the Haunted Mansion. I can tell you that I absolutely love this mug. And now I love it twice. That's awesome though, because I've never actually cut the straps on this one because I just wanted it as a cute display. Now I can cut this one and I can use it. So I can still keep one on display, and now I can drink out of my Haunted Mansion mug. That is amazing. Alright, so those boxes again, which will be available until they run out, so don't mess around. An apple a day, $45.99. Not a Morning Person coffee box, $79.99. Sorcerer's Rice Crispy box, $39.99. And now for the secret ninja code. Kristen, the owner of Main Street Treat Company, sent me a message and she named the code after our new car, which looks like this. Boop. And her name is Leota. So, 15% off with code Leota. Boop. Use that, save some money, order some treats. You deserve it. All right. I think that's all I got for today. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. Don't forget to find them on Facebook, Main Street Treat Co. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.